Do you use an Elgato Stream Deck and always seem to be running out of places to put new buttons? Well, I'm about to show you a couple of neat little tricks that's going to maximize your button real estate on your Stream Deck. G'day, welcome to the channel and welcome to today's video. My name's Matt, but you'll know me as WFX Malice. I've got a few friends with Stream Decks and they always seem to be running out of places to put new buttons and functions. So over the next couple of minutes, I'm going to show you a few neat little tricks that's going to help you get almost infinite amount of buttons on your Stream Deck. Let's get started. The first method is folders. This is my personal favorite and I use this a lot. Just like folders on your computer, you can put files within a folder, but you can also put folders within a folder. So here I have a folder for when I'm streaming. I've got all my scene selections, I've got my be right back, I've got my mute buttons, but I've also got folders inside of that folder with things like my soundboard. That way I've got all the functions I need for when I'm streaming right there at my fingertips. Obviously you do lose one function button to be able to go back and be able to get back to your home screen, but that's still 14 buttons per folder. Now this can be done just simply by right clicking on an empty function on your Stream Deck and choose Create Folder. Give it a name, give it an icon, open that folder up and you can start dragging functions onto there, or you can create more folders within that folder. The next method is pages. If you click this little plus button down the bottom here, you can create up to 10 pages. Now, obviously you're going to lose one button to be able to go back on your last page, one button to be able to go forward on your first page, and then forwards and backwards buttons on all your middle pages. But that's going to give you up to 132 functions for all of those pages. Now you can put folders within pages. Unfortunately, you can't put pages within a folder. The next method is profiles. By clicking this little arrow up the top here, you can go and create new profiles. You can go and give them names. This is good for if you've got different functions that are completely irrelevant or completely different to other functions you've got. So here I've got stuff for Blender. Now, once again, you can create pages within each profile. You can place folders on each of those pages. And of course, you can put folders within those folders. You can even create function buttons to be able to quickly get back to other profiles so you don't need the software open to be able to select it there. If you've liked this, guys, please give it a thumbs up. If you've got any comments or questions, leave them down below. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.